What is going on with the Denver real estate market? It's an excellent question, and I am so glad that you asked. Thanks for tuning in. All right, let's get this party started. So for the month of September, we actually had an increase in our inventory. It went up 7.04% from the month of August. Year over year, our inventory is up 16%. In September, there were 16,733 active listings on the market. The good news is that if your home is priced competitively and it shows well, it's still going to sell. Buyers just don't necessarily have the urgency that we've seen in our market for the past couple of years. They're making slower decisions and not jumping right into something or right into a multiple offer situation. Our appreciation went from about 8% to 6.53%. And keeping in mind that a normal appreciation amount is about 3.6% historically. Interest rates are going up. And the good news is that mortgage applications have also gone up by about 4%. The median sales price was $428,000 with 27 average days on market. I'm Natalie Randall, a realtor in the Denver area. Thanks so much for joining us. Now, there's a button below, the red one that says subscribe. If you could go ahead and click on that, it'll make sure that you don't miss out on any more future market reports. It's always good to know what's going on in the Denver market.